Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday and we are doing the weekly grocery haul and weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here is, I have no idea how much it costs. Maybe closer to 100 or maybe probably closer to the 100 because Jared bought stuff and then I bought stuff. And then his brother is actually down for a little while with us, and he brought a lot of snacks. So, yeah. But anyways, I will leave all of the prices down below or on the screen somewhere. Just be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification so every time that I upload a video, you won't miss out on watching them. All right, so we are going to start with the meal plan. So, we are having fried rice on Sunday. Monday's going to be leftovers. Tuesday, we're going to have steak and potatoes with broccoli. We haven't bought the steaks yet. We're actually going to get that on Tuesday morning, so it's like the fresh cut, and then marinate it throughout the day. Wednesday, we're going to have breakfast, so waffles, bacon, eggs, potatoes, anything that we can think of to have for breakfast. Thursday and Friday we're going to have beef stroganoff. I do have a recipe that I can link down below. It is from Pinterest, so I'll link that recipe. And then I thought Mama was coming down this Saturday, but it's actually next Saturday. So I don't know what we're going to have for this coming up Saturday, but we shall see. Anyway, so we're going to start with the grocery hauls over here. Picked up some avocados for some chicken tacos that we're going to be making. Got some tomatoes also for the chicken tacos. The corn looked really good, so I actually picked up some corn that I'm going to boil up and put some butter on it. And it's going to be really good. And then this huge pack of strawberries was only like $3.22. It was originally like $6. So had to pick that up. We needed some more jasmine rice. It's the only kind of rice that we actually like to buy. Because, I don't know, I just think it has better flavors to my knowledge. We picked up this box of Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix. So we picked that up for, I think we're going to have this for the steak night. We picked up some egg noodles for the beef stroganoff. Snack-wise, as you can see, we bought a lot of snacks. So I got sour cream and onions. Jared picked up this party pack of snack mix. And then his brother Alec picked up some Takis and some On the Border chips and some Cheez-Its. So, like I said, that's a lot of snacks that we're going to be having. All right, moving on. Alec brought some salsa, so On the Border salsa. We picked up a can of mixed veggies for the fried rice. Had to pick up a cream of mushroom for the beef stroganoff. I picked up some semi-sweet chocolate. I'm going to make some homemade cookies this weekend. Jared picked up his drink, which he picked up a Red Bull, the Plum Twist. Picked up a can of Rotel for the chicken tacos. Sour cream for the chicken tacos and also for the beef stroganoff. I saw this, the fried rice seasoning mix, which Jared makes some pretty good fried rice. I'm not going to lie. But I saw this, so I decided that we should try it. So I picked that up. Picked up some chicken taco seasoning. We got a thing of mushrooms to add some more mushrooms to the beef stroganoff. We got a mango. And then they were out of the whole garlic, so I picked up the jarred garlic minced. We picked up 2 things of the flour tortillas for the chicken tacos. I needed some more toothpaste, so I picked up the Arm & Hammer. We picked up a pack of chicken breasts for the chicken tacos, and we're not going to cook all of it, I promise you. We are going to just probably cook half of it and then freeze half of it. I picked up some bacon. I actually picked up the lower sodium bacon because the bacon that we been getting was a little bit too salty for me. So I picked this up. It is probably about $2 more, but I'm going to try it and then I will let y'all know. And then last but not least, I picked up this small thing of coffee, the breakfast blend. I just needed something small for right now. And that is pretty much it. So this is the overview of the groceries that we got this week. Let me know down below if you're going to pick up any of these groceries or if you're going to be making any of the dinners that I have mentioned. And before I go, make sure you go and subscribe and comment and just say hi to me. But anyways, I will see you guys later and have a great week. Bye.